Looks like Teo's bodega was robbed. Hope I can help.
Come on now, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt. Spider-Man.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these dudes go to a power station? There's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting Transformers? Okay. Nap time, bro.
Wasn't looking for orders, Macho Man. You sure it'll knock out the whole block? Reasonably sure. Hey, if we knock out more than one, it'll take the cops longer to catch on. I've never been part of a plan like this. Just because you've been working small time. This kind of work's got a long-term opportunity.
You're done.
Stomach's grumbling. Should have packed a sandwich.
Wish it was always this easy.
Diddy's a trash heap.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Trash.
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. Gotta stick it in place. Got it! I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Oh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only two men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus.
Why does the boss want to set up here of all places?
Night.
Look outside. Harlem's a mess right now. Boss knows an opportunity when he sees one.
Another win for Spider-Man.
Reason?
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station?
I thought you did. Could be one of the station
Nap
workers.
time, bro.
Keep an eye out. Power's already out. Why we gotta keep cutting? To make sure it's done. You want to half-ass a job for this guy? No. Someone there?
What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know?
Give me your best shot! He's mine!
Seriously, who planned the bank robbery?
I'm gonna bash you!
Go ahead, try and get up. I need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator, and hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
This beats flipping movies.
Stay sharp, boys. Someone's trying to undo our good...
The heck was that?
Hey, got some webs here!
Hate having downtime. Can't stop thinking about all my bad life choices.
I knew I could do it.
Beats lockup, that's for sure. Why's it gotta be so damn cold all the time?
Eso me
Must have been
gustó.
nothing, see? I missed some 3 hots in a car. One big score and I'm out of here. Here's something. Hate New York.
Easier than I thought.
Haven't felt my toes in a week. Ain't gonna be small time forever. I got nothing here. I heard something. Oh, got a guy down over here. Spider-Man's around here somewhere.
That'll leave a mark.
Hey, watch my back, will you?
Where are you? Show yourself.
Another one bites the dust. Time to check the breaker. No good. Board's not powered. Need a generator. Here we go. Generator's on. I don't think it's hooked up. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker. Let there be...
What was that noise?
It's okay.
Spider-Man?
You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process? Back up! Fight again!
Look out! He's airborne!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cash, and I'll let you go. Deal?
Oh, damn! Don't let him leave here!
Seriously, guys? Give up your boss. I'll figure it out eventually.
You think we're scared of you? He's 10 times worse! Come here!
What do you mean your boss is worse? I'm mopping the floor with you.
You don't kill people! Boss does!
We're doing that! Bad day to mess with us! You're in for some pain!
Now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with. Call you soon.
Hey, Teo, got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. Hey, Spider-Man. What's good?
Oh, he likes you.
Hey, man. Any leads on who our cat thieves were working for?
I'm chasing down a couple of problems that might be connected. Robberies on Harlem's commercial strip, and something going down at Feast North. I'll post in the app when I know more.
Cool. Thanks, dude.